Today, in this video, we'll make a smart 3-in-1 12-volt battery with the features power bank, 12-volt battery, and emergency LED light. Stay tuned. Let's make it. Take 9 of 18650 batteries, each of 2,200 milliamp hours. Make 3 sets by connecting 3 batteries in parallel each. Now connect these 3 sets in series. This is a 12.6 volt 3-cell BMS of current capacity 20 ampere. Connect the 0-volt wire of BMS to the negative of the first 3-cell set. Connect the 4.2-volt wire of BMS to the positive of first 3-cell set. Connect the 8.4-volt wire of BMS to the positive of second 3-cell set. Now, connect the 12.6-volt wire of BMS to the positive of third 3-cell set. BMS connections are completed successfully, working properly. Connect heatsink on the MOSFETs on the BMS for longevity. Got this from an old LED bulb. This is made using old LEDs and an aluminum sheet sticked on the circular PVC sheet. This is a fast car charger. These terminals are made using copper pipe. I just flattened a copper pipe with hammer and made these. Check out the gains. Take a thick PVC pipe sheet and cut in 4 equal pieces. Size is 10 by 15 centimeters. Terminals are installed on the top part. Make a rectangular box with these PVC sheets using instant glue. I've connected the LED and made suitable holes for the car charger output and switches respectively. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I install the car charger. I'm not broken. Install the switches too. I'm not broken. Already cried my tears. Place the battery pack properly inside the box. I am undefeated, made for the game. Connect the positive output of the battery pack with the switch. With the positive input of the car charger and negative output to negative input of the car charger. Do the same for LED 2. Done. Now connect the battery output to the copper terminals and the DC socket. Can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button for more of such amazing projects. One thing I learned, pain hurts, but don't control me. I'm not broken. Solder it properly and install the remaining walls. Viola, it's ready. I'll just spray paint these 2 sidewalls for a dual tone look.
If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button for more of such amazing projects. 12-volt headlight bulb. This smart battery is of 6.6 amperes, that is 6,600 milliamp hours. Works.
Let's do a quick brightness test of the emergency LED light.